Welcome to the Base Settings section. Before sending documents to your clients for signature, it's important to set up a few key configurations in this section. 1. Customize your account. Upload your company logo under Business Logo at the top left corner. Click Choose File to select and upload it from your image gallery or computer. Your logo is not just a decorative element, it represents your company's identity. By adding it, you'll ensure a coordinated and professional visual communication, making your documents immediately recognizable to your clients. 2. Configure email notifications. In the Email Settings section, enter your email address and tick the checkbox if you'd like to receive an email with a signed document attached each time a client completes a form. Remember, every document is securely stored in the system and backed up in the cloud, accessible anytime, but receiving them by email can certainly make things more convenient. 3. Set document validity. According to your privacy policy, you can define how long a signed document remains valid. After the selected period, clients will be able to complete and sign the same document again using the same email address. Several options are available. This allows you to keep your clients' data and documents always up to date, ensure security and GDPR compliance. Please note, a document linked to the same email address cannot be signed twice within the set validity period. 4. Add images. Some documents may require images or photos to clarify an action or simply to add a visual touch. If you'd like to enhance your documents with graphics, go to the Media section and click Add Media to upload up to 2 images. These can help make your documents clearer, more professional, and engaging for your clients. 5. Save your digital signature. Some documents also require the signature of the business owner in addition to the client's. For example, in a short-term rental contract, the agreement will already be complete if it includes the preloaded signature of the manager. At the bottom left, you'll find the Business Owner Signature section, where you can upload the owner's or manager's signature from a file or by signing directly on screen. The system supports multiple signatures for your company. In this section, you can manage the owner's signature, while in the user profile, you can set up the operator's signature. Some documents may need to be countersigned by the operator, while others exclusively by the owner. 6. Create custom fields. Each document type includes a set of predefined fields for your clients to fill in. However, we understand that you might need more flexibility. That's why you can create custom fields tailored to your specific needs. To do this, go to the top right corner, select one of the available fields, e.g., Field 1, and fill in the corresponding text boxes in all 4 available languages. Your custom fields will then appear as buttons in the document creation section, easily recognizable by their unique color. 7. Use custom filters. Below, you'll find the Custom Filter section, which allows you to perform targeted searches within completed documents using your custom fields. For example, imagine you run a diving center organizing weekend trips for groups from different schools or clubs. You could create a custom field called Group or Diving Club and include it in your waiver form alongside personal data. Thanks to custom filters, you'll be able to quickly locate all signed documents from a specific group, making data management and organization much easier. 8. Customize email subjects. In the Email Subject Based on Type section, you can configure the subject line for system-generated emails, both those containing documents to be signed and those for completed documents. The email subject is crucial. It allows recipients to immediately understand the content and purpose of the message. Customizing it gives you several advantages: clearer communication. Clients will instantly recognize the email's purpose, reducing the risk of it being overlooked. Greater professionalism. A well-crafted subject line reflects an organized and reliable image of your business. Take a few minutes to define specific and consistent subject lines for each type of document or communication you send. 9. Privacy field. In this section, you can personalize up to 3 fields dedicated to managing explicit privacy consent within your documents. Each field corresponds to a different type of consent: data processing, periodic contact, and sharing of personal data with third parties. Enter the text you wish to display alongside each consent button, so clients can clearly and transparently express their preferences. In the document creation section, you'll find 3 new buttons with the text you've entered, allowing you to adapt your forms to your company's needs, fully compliant with privacy regulations. With these customizations and configurations, your documents will look more professional, your clients will be more satisfied, and your work will become simpler, faster, and more efficient. Good work!